Looking for a smarter, easier way to trade crypto in Canada? Coinspire is here, your personal AI-powered crypto trading assistant built to help you grow your portfolio without the stress, guesswork, or constant screen time. Click the link in the description right now to get exclusive early access. Spots are limited, and this is your chance to be among the first in Canada to try Coinspire before it goes public. Just enter your email on the site, and we'll send you everything you need to get started, including setup instructions and your welcome bonus. So, what makes Coinspire different? At its core, Coinspire is powered by a next-generation artificial intelligence engine that constantly monitors the market, analyzes real-time trends, and automatically executes trades based on tested, proven strategies. It reacts faster than any human ever could, spotting opportunities, reducing risk, and helping you maximize returns in volatile crypto conditions. It's also built for simplicity. You don't need to be a professional trader or spend hours learning technical tools. The interface is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, while still offering full control and customization for experienced users who want to fine-tune their approach. Coinspire is fully compatible with top-tier crypto exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, and more. Whether you're into spot trading, futures, or a hybrid approach, it's all supported, fully integrated, and ready to go. And because it's entirely cloud-based, there's nothing to install or maintain. You can check your bot and manage your portfolio from your phone, laptop, or tablet, anytime from anywhere in Canada or beyond. But here's the important part. Access is currently limited and only available through the link in the description. This is a private early access phase, with exclusive bonuses for Canadian users who join early. Once the first wave closes, access may not reopen soon, so don't wait. Click the link, enter your email, and unlock the future of crypto trading with Coinspire. Smarter trades, less stress, more time for life. Coinspire, AI that works for your crypto.